Features of the Indian party system. First is the one dominantship party. The Indian National Congress Party was a ruling party after independence. There was a ruling party. There was only one dominant party. This party ruled for 54 years. So we can say that at the beginning we were having the one dominantship party system. In our politics, we were having the one dominantship party. Second, the different political parties came from the Congress party. First, there was only the one party which had only one motto to fight independence. Means before independence, we were having only the one dream, one motto that we want independence. But after the independence, the motto was changed. Now there are many issues related to the state, nation, regional issues, then about the minorities, then local communities. So for it, different parties were emerged who supported these issues. So different political parties were emerged. Then all political parties have their leader hero. The political parties use the help of the popular sovereignty. We have already studied in the first semester that what is the popular sovereignty. Popular sovereignty means because of popularity you are known to everybody and you get votes to the election. So because of popular sovereignty, these parties have their own leader to win their elections. They selected their candidates who were popular face. Many parties used their name of the groups on the popular fighters like the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, then Savitribai Phule, Jizamata, then Maharaja Rana Pratap, etc. So the Republic Party of India used the personality of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Then the Congress Party used the personality of the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, then Mahatma Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Then BJP Party used the personality of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and now it is using the personality of Narendra Modi. So how the political parties use their leader's name to gain the popularity and to win the elections. Then next is the card based political party. Card means here the card may be related to the political religion or the issue. Now example is the Balasaheb Thackeray used a card of Marathi language. In this way he made the political party powerful. So Bharatiya Janata Party BJP used the Hindu card means Hindu religion, and the Indian Union Muslim League IUML used the Muslim card means Muslim religion. So here the various parties use their card. Next is the regional issue based political party. Regional means it is based on any location. So issues based on region. So for that purpose political parties are formed, which are called the regional political parties. The political party which tries to solve regional issues are close to that region, and therefore the local regional parties are formed. Example, Maharashtra Navanirman Sena, then Dravid Munetra Kazhagam means it is in Tamil Nadu. Then All India Tirumal Congress, it is in West Bengal. Then Janata Dal JD, it is in Bihar and Arunachal Pradesh. Then National Conference Jammu and Kashmir, Shiromani Akal Dal in Punjab. So these are the regional based political parties. Then the ideology of the national political party and the regional political party is different. So why it is different? Because the problems which are faced by national level are not the problems which are faced by regional. So ideology adopted by them we can say that the ideology adopted by those parties is also different. Both these parties have different aims, responsibilities, mottos and areas. The regional political party have ideology related to the communities, regions they are living in, but the national political party have ideology of the whole nation. Then seventh point is the central and the state government is different in political parties, then it becomes difficult to administer. Means then both the governments start pulling each other. Means if the governments are different in central and state government, then it becomes difficult to administer, because then both the government are starts pulling each other. Disputes and fights, conflicts are increased. As this both governments are different, in the political parties, so they don't support to each other. State government don't allows decisions of the central government, and central government don't give permission to the state government for their idea. So this leads to a difficulty to administer the country. Then religion and the caste based political parties are present in India. In India, there are a number of caste religions. This leads to increased prejudice. So here every religion has formed their own political party. Then the Indian party system is variable. Why it is variable? Because after independence we were having only one party, dominantship party in India. Then after the one party system was converted into two party system, and after that different communities, issues, religions and regional parties were arose. So multi party system was formed. So this led to the political parties to form alliance, coalition to gain the political party. Because of so many parties, the result of the election is always unclear. So here we cannot say which form of system, political system we have in India. So that's why the Indian political party is variable. So here we have completed the political party systems topic.